We start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. If you refer to my last analysis, the price was here. We mentioned how we can look for trade. Right now, we'll get this correction. All right. Anyway, even at this point, we don't have any trade set up for buy. And even if anyone wants to consider this one as a flag, the only option is to put their entry off here. And what we want the price sharply tag breaking continue, because if the prices start to move, we will see similar to what we get here, any of this. That's why if you want to look for buy for Dogecoin, the best thing is to put a warrant strip off the top. It's really risky, but this is the only way at this point we can. If you want to get the trade at a good price, this is the only option. And what we want the price sharply tag breaking continue. If the price tag we see is not moving within the first or maximum second hours, we should take out the trade, or if we can move our stop loss to break even. And the another option is we look for the reversal as a sharp move flag. But at this point, I don't think we can get the the reversal is a sharp move flag, because every time we see the sharp move, it turns to a correction and drop similar to what we get here. But this is the best we could get it. All right. And if the price drop, at least drop to 0.205, then we can adjust and put our entry above here. But at this point, we prefer to put our entry above the stop. This is the only way at this point we can look for the trade. Anyway, we start with the daily chart, and based on daily chart, we're looking at this correction in relative to this. That's why I mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And we're looking to see the breakout of the 36. Then the targets we can look for is 41 following by 48. All right. How about because we mentioned if the price could break 18, then we can expect even the price drop to 15. All right. But this is what we need. The reasons I mentioned we can expect the price tag 15 is the reason is that if we're looking for buy, we have to look for trade, so that we don't want to keep the trade if it doesn't move in our direction. Because at this point, still we're looking for this one relative to this, at least for one move up. Then we can consider either this one turn to flat in relative to this for the next drop, or we look for continuation. That's me right now. I'm looking for this, and we prefer to get this one without the breakout of the 18. All right. And even whenever we have this kind of the move, we are looking for continuation. But again, the possibility for price to drop to 15 is really high if the price could break 18. That's why if we want to look for buy, we should know what's the risk and reward if you want to keep the trade. And if you get any trade we see is not moving our direction, we should know how to manage it. All right. Rather than that, based on daily chart, we don't have any trade set up for buy. And even if you move to forward chart, still we can consider this one as a correction in relative to this. The way it's moving is really corrective. It doesn't give us any opportunity for buyers like the proper trade setup. But as I mentioned, based on 1 hour chart, if you want to look for buy, the only way at this option is to put our entry above the correction. And the targets based on 1 hour chart we're looking for is 23 following by 25. All right. And if the price going to continue and drop as just a corrective, we just let it go. Then from there, we want to see whether the price can break 19 or not. Right. Because with the breakout of the 19 and 18, then we need to be really careful. But at this point, we were not expecting the price drop to 15. We're looking to see the breakout of 23 following by 25. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.